Why Turkey tops the list for dental savings. Turkey is growing in popularity as one of the most sought-after destinations for dental tourism over the last few time. Thanks to its excellent dental care, skilled professionals, and reasonable prices, Turkey has become the top choice for anyone who wants to save on dental treatment. In this clip, we'll look at the reason Turkey ranks top of the list when it comes to savings on dental treatments. High-quality dental care. One of the major motives behind that Turkey is the preferred choice for dental treatment is the superior level of service that its dentists provide. The majority of dentists working in Turkey have completed their studies as well as training from top schools across the globe, and they are known for their knowledge and proficiency of performing a range of different dental treatments. When you're in need of a routine cleaning or a more intricate procedure like dental implants or veneers, you are able to ensure that you be treated with the highest quality of dental care in Turkey. State-of-the-art facilities. Turkey is also renowned for its top-of-the-line dental centers that are stocked with modern technology and devices. The modern dental clinics provide cozy and inviting atmosphere for patients and adhere to stringent health and safety regulations. With everything from digital X-rays to intraoral cameras to CAD/CAM technologies to provide crowns on the same day, it is possible to receive the highest quality treatments at dental clinics located in Turkey. Affordable prices. One of the main benefits that comes with having dental procedures from Turkey is the price savings. When compared to Western countries, the dental services within Turkey can be significantly less costly, which makes it a desirable choice for patients who want to save some money. No matter if you're looking for a straightforward tooth filling or complete reconstruction, you'll be able to pay only a small fraction of what you'd be paying in other countries such as the US or the UK. This cost-effectiveness makes Turkey the preferred choice of patients wanting to get dental services with no expense. No waiting list. Another reason to seek dentistry at a dental clinic in Turkey is the absence of long wait lists. In several Western nations, patients need to wait for weeks or even months for a visit to the dentist for routine exam or to receive treatments. In Turkey, however, appointments can be scheduled in a matter of minutes, and it is possible to receive your treatment promptly. This is crucial for patients who are looking for urgent dental attention or wish to arrange their visits to coincide with traveling plans. Tourism opportunities. Alongside getting a lower cost for dental care, in addition, going to Turkey for dental treatments can also be a wonderful occasion to visit this gorgeous nation. From the gorgeous beaches of Antalya and the historical sites that are located in Istanbul, Turkey offers an array of things for visitors to explore. It doesn't matter if you'd like to chill at the Mediterranean coastline or spend time shopping at the bustling bazaars, there's everything to be enjoyed by everyone in Turkey. Conclusion. Turkey is now an increasingly popular alternative for saving on dental costs due to various factors, such as its premium dental care, top-of-the-line services, reasonable rates, no wait list, and the possibility of tourism. If you're in the need of dental services and wish to reduce costs but still get the best quality treatment, you should consider traveling to Turkey on your next dental getaway. The country has experienced dentists with modern dental clinics and beautiful tourist destinations. Turkey tops the list to save on dental costs. Maintaining fillings. To prolong the lifespan of the dental fillings you have and ensure that you don't need frequent replacements, it's important to follow good dental hygiene routines. That means brushing